Tesla's Folding Unit Supercharger has officially landed in Europe, with the company teasing a new installation in its effort for a broader rollout targeting major motorway rest stops across the European continent in Q3 2026. The arrival marks a notable shift in how Tesla is thinking about network expansion, moving from hardware performance alone to engineering the logistics chain itself. While Tesla did not reveal the exact location for the new folding supercharger in Europe, the photo shared on X heavily suggests that this may be somewhere in Norway. Historically, whenever Tesla rolls out an entirely new infrastructure architecture in Europe, whether it was the original supercharger stalls years ago or these brand new modular V4 folding units, Norway is almost always the designated launchpad because of its unmatched EV adoption rate and supportive infrastructure. The folding unit, introduced in March 2026, is a factory pre-assembled V4 charging station built on an industrial hinge system mounted to a heavy-duty concrete base. The entire assembly arrives on site, ready to unfold and connect. Tesla confirms the units feature telescopic light poles specifically designed for easy transportation and fast on-site deployment, a detail that signals how carefully the logistics chain has been engineered alongside the hardware itself. The design allows 33% more stalls per delivery truck, cuts installation time roughly in half, and reduces overall deployment costs by more than 20% compared to traditional installations. Tesla's newest folding V4 superchargers are key to its most aggressive expansion yet. Tesla also noted telescopic light poles, which provide benefits over traditional supercharger installations that require fixed-height poles that are awkward to ship, slow to position on site, and often require separate crews and equipment to erect before charging hardware can even be staged. By engineering poles that compress for transit and extend on arrival, Tesla has removed one of the quieter bottlenecks in the physical deployment process. Every hour saved on a light pole installation is an hour redirected toward getting stalls energized. At scale, across dozens of new sites per quarter, those hours add up to a meaningful acceleration in how quickly a location goes from approved permit to serving its first customer. Each folding unit pairs a single V4 power cabinet with 8 charging posts. The V4 cabinet delivers up to 500 kW per stall for passenger vehicles and up to 1.2 megawatts for the Tesla Semi, supporting twice the stalls per cabinet at 3 times the power density of its predecessor. Longer cables make every new station immediately usable by non-Tesla vehicles, a priority as Tesla continues opening its network to Ford, GM, Rivian, Hyundai, Stellantis, and others. As teslarati reported when the folding unit was first unveiled, Tesla's Gigafactory New York produced its final V3 supercharger cabinet in March 2026 after more than 7 years and 15,000 units, completing a full pivot to V4 production. The European arrival of the folding design is the next chapter in that transition. Faster and cheaper deployment means Tesla can justify building in markets and corridors that were previously too expensive to serve, filling the coverage gaps that have slowed EV adoption outside major urban centers. Source: reposted and summarized from Gene at teslarati.